Hey, thanks for being here. Today I'll be making jerk pasta with chicken. But first I'm going to make the jerk seasoning. You can buy it in the store if you like, but I'm going to do it this way. I'm using a coffee grounder. I'm going to use a teaspoon of allspice. Use a teaspoon of garlic powder. A teaspoon or less of red pepper. It depends on you. I think I'm going to only add about a half a teaspoon. A teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to use a fourth of a teaspoon of cinnamon. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of crushed pepper flakes, or less, it's up to you. If you like it spicy, go ahead. Put as much as you like. And I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm using 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Two teaspoons of dried parsley. Two teaspoons of thyme. Let me get this off. Do it like this. Dried thyme, that is. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. You can use white if you prefer. And 2 teaspoons of salt. What is wrong with it? What is wrong with my thingy? Oh my. Is it broke? There we go. Let me see. Woo, it's choking me. Alrighty. There we go. So I've seasoned my meat really well, and I'm going to set it aside for about an hour, at least 30 minutes. I'm going to cut up some onion, some white onion. Whoops, back over there. Add some green peppers, green bell peppers. Yellow. And our beautiful red. Red. So pretty. And this yellow is really sweet, and so is the red. Really sweet. If I didn't have that my camera positioned right, I apologize. Anyway, I've added a little bit of oil to my pan, and we're going to saute these onions, bell peppers, season them up, and make our sauce. How pretty is that? Okay, our jerk seasoning, we're going to add some. And it's spicy. So if you don't like it really spicy, because I don't like it really spicy, then use less of the black pepper and the red pepper, the cayenne pepper, whichever one you choose to use. You sprinkle just a little more. I'm going to use some more of those clips here. Going to saute these until they soften up. About 5 or 6 minutes. I'm going to use a half a cup of coconut milk. Shake your pan, because I didn't. I'm going to use, turn it down, a half a cup of heavy cream. A half cup. Slow down now, slow down. Oh, excuse me. And get this heated up. Warmed up, I'm going to add some more jerk seasoning. Some paprika, just for the color. Paprika. Make it nice and pretty. Taste it. That's good. I think I want a little more seasoning. So let this simmer for a minute. Back here I have my water for my pasta. And I'm going to use, let me turn this down low. Come on down to a simmer. I'm using gemelli pasta. I just like these. They taste really good to me for some reason. And they're cute. What do you think? Can you see? Yeah. Get that boiling. You can taste it again. That's good. I still need a pinch of seasoning, but it's good. I just want the seasoning to be more prominent. Some salt, I'm sorry. I'm going to use a little bit less than a cup of pasta for myself. Maybe a cup. Gonna let these cook for about 13 minutes. Okay, I've drained my pasta. Just gonna get it in. Looks good, huh? Now I have some Parmesan cheese. I can get it open. Maybe about a half a cup. Just adding some more flavor. A little bit more. To see it. I'm going to take this. Ooh, sloppy cook. Cut it out. I'm going to set it aside. I'm adding a little oil to my hot pan. And the meat we had marinated. Rub it in a little more. Make sure it's covered really well. going to let it cool for a minute, and then we're going to slice it. Mm-hmm. That should be enough. Okay. Nice and cheesy. Need some more bell peppers. Mm-hmm. Take some of this. Mm-hmm. I'm going to sprinkle, excuse me, some more of that seasoning right on the top. And just a tiny bit more Parmesan on the side. Alright. And there you have it. Well, thanks for watching. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't, and if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comments. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, stay well, stay blessed. I love you, I really do. And make you some. You won't regret it. Thumbnail. Boop. Later.